very nice. And this one, Fluttershy and Pinkie. Wow, so cute. Pinkie and hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel City and Toys. Wow, look at that. So many little horse and girl and unicorn. Wow, very nice. Ho, ho, ho. What is this, guys? Wow. Wow, this is little pony, guys. Wow, so cute. Look at this. Wow, this is giant little pony. Wow, and this one, Disney princess. Wow, this is unicorn, guys. Okay, guys, time for collect it. Let's go enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Plus press the bell. Okay, guys, thank you. Wow, what is this, guys? This is apple bloom. Look at this. Wow, this is apple bloom. Okay, guys, and this one is rarity. Wow, this is Princess Celestia. And like this one, wow, this is rainbow dust. Pinkie Pie, wow, and this is Sweetie Belle. Hi. Okay, guys, look at that. Wow, so many. Again, wow, this is Applejack. Wow. And next, this is Twilight Sparkle. And this one, guys, this is Unicorn Rainbow Squishy. Look at that. Wow. So cute. And this one, this is Princess Luna. Wow. Wow, this is Equestria girl, guys. Wow, what's your name? My name is Rarity. Ho ho. And like this one, wow, this is Pinkie Pie. Wow. And next, what's your name? My name is DJ Ponty. And next, this one. Wow, this is Equestria girl. Rainbow dust. Hello. Wow. And like this one. This is Fluttershy. Guys, this is Rainbow Squishy Unicorn. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Again. Wow, very nice. What is this, guys? Wow, and Squishy again. Wow. Amazing. And next, this one. This is wow. This is butterfly. Hello, butterfly. Wow, very nice. Wow, this is princess, guys. So beautiful. Wow. This is Princess Elsa. Wow, so cute and beautiful dress. Wow. Next, his friend. This is Princess Anna. Wow, beautiful dress. Next, this is Cinderella. Wow. Wee, perfect dress. Wow. Hehe. Next, this one. Waduh, guys. Very beautiful. Wow, she named Princess Aurora. Wow, very perfect, beautiful. Look at this. Wow. This is Aurora, guys. So beautiful. Wow. So many again. And this one. Wow. She have long hair. Wee. She name is Rapunzel. Wow. Very nice. Wee. And this one? No. What is this? Wow. This is surprise egg. But it's empty. Wow. Nothing, little pony in here. Wow. What is this, guys? This is unicorn crystal mood. Wow. Wee. Guys, look at this. This little pony, guys, Twilight Sparkle. Wow, this is pony slime. Ho. And like this one. Wee. This is Fluttershy, giant Fluttershy pony. Wow, very nice. And this one, Fluttershy and Pinkie. Wow, so cute. Pinkie and Fluttershy. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe guys. See you, bye bye.